Chapter 40. The Miracle of Briar Earth. Ripple Gab Fox was in a state, a sort of fear trance, a dream, as though she was flying, the valley shrinking and growing more and more beautiful as she floated. She was at peace, silent, unafraid, the wind rushing into her ears, the swoosh of feathers mixing with voices, sweet singing. Georgina steered a course for the sun. It was low on the land horizon, and once past a gathering at Briar Earth, she turned and flew in low from the east, concealed by the glare of the sun upon the snow, which kept the gaze of the gathering low. Georgina's flight path was swift and silent and undetected. Only at the very last moment was a noise from her wings detectable to cub blackbird. Georgina dropped her furry cargo with a whispered farewell. "Go to your mother, little one." Eagle reputation restored, mission accomplished. She was away and wheeling back into the sun, as Ripple plopped into the snow at the feet of her screeching mother. It was mid-morning, and celebrations at Briar Earth were so joyous that nobody heard the news flash. A memorial service and wake in the Chatham County has had a miraculous sequel. Cub Blackbird has this exclusive eyewitness account. It was a solemn gathering at the house of Foxfire and wife Mayor Gab Fox, amongst friends in the beautiful snow-painted setting at their quaint Briar Earth cottage. They had gathered to pay tribute to little Ripple Gab Fox, snatched, missing, and feared dead. Some 3 days ago, the little girl fox suddenly fell from the sky, safe and well and squealing with delight, to the embrace of her mother and the astonishment of Foxfire Gab Fox and noted evangelist Soul Rester, both of whom screamed in disbelief and fainted forthwith. I was the only eyewitness, and am convinced that she was borne home from heaven and returned to her mother by an angel with mighty wings and enshrined in a halo. I can only report faithfully what I see, and this is what I saw, and what I saw will be sure to become known as the miracle of Briar Earth.